Okay, we're going to take a look at a old sawmill, an old plank sawing mill. They've got a reproduction set up here. This is what the planks look like. Those are actually rough 2x4s, which actually originally were actually 2x4, because what they would do is they take rough 2x4s, they'd plane them down. So they actually did start out as 2 inches by 4 inches. And here's a look at the saw. I can probably get it later on in action, but what the saw is, it has individual teeth, and they just replace different teeth. I'll give you a close-up of it. A little bit earlier, the guy was repairing it. You can actually remove those individually and replace them, so keep the blade going. The center part of the blade's the expensive part, so you always want to make sure the wear and tear goes on the individual teeth and not the body of the saw itself. And here's a view of one of the planks. They've already taken the rough log itself and squared it off, and then later on when they get this operating, they'll actually be shaving off pieces for planks of wood. Looks like they're going to be making 2x12s. So hopefully a little bit later they'll actually have it up and running, and I can actually show you an operation. Oh yeah, the mechanism for it running too, it actually runs off of one of the tractors. They pull up in this spot right here. You can probably see the belt laying on the ground there, but they actually hook the belt up to the power takeoff of one of the steam tractors. And when the blade is sawing, especially through green wood or wet wood, you'll hear the tractor really rev up because it's really taxing on the engine. But here's the belts they're going to hook up for the drive.